Good morning everybody, welcome to this morning's paddock picking adventure. This morning, -2 the other morning, 0 this morning, quite chilly, sun's out, beautiful day. What am I doing? So we're going to have a look at these guys' feet up the paddock. Something that they say you should do every day. I guess I should do it more often. Alright, let's get into it now. Clancy this morning and his shadow. So what have I got here this morning? I've got a shadow and a reflection. How's that? Here comes Big Sonny. And I'll guarantee he needs a trim, or a bit of a rasp at least. So we'll see if he'll let me clean out his footses. Clean out footses here. Come on. There's a boy, pick him up for me. Wow, look at the shit in there. You got something like that? That's a big trick. You know trick. You know trick. Look at this. You big bird and shit that. Come on. Boy, go. Back into you. Look. Now. Bit down. Bit big. This up. Come on. Go away. Come on. And there. I suppose I need to become left-handed. Never done it left-handed before. Might have to with him. Yeah, you need a trim, mister. You need a trim, and I'm going to hang on to it. And I'm going to say, down. Good boy. Now Clancy's out of the water. I might check his feet. So look here. We cleaned it all out, no? What have we got here? Look at one. Look at one. That's not bad. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Hey, stop chewing on me, guys. You'll be needing a trim soon. Who's chewing on that? Have a look over here now, little Sonny. He should be alright. Let's look here. What's that? Good boy. Have a look at this crooked foot now. Pick him up. That's a boy. This one. I only trimmed him last week or so, I think. This one, come on. Get your head away and give us it up here. Oh, that was a good rock. Good boy. Right. I see big Tess there, but she'll probably only stand still for 1 foot or so. Hey Tess. You're going to take off. I won't say the word I'm thinking. Into your hay. Going to let me have a look at your foot. Down here. All the way down to your foot here. Just a look. Oh, Mez's foot. Look at that. Look at this. Bit of mud around at the moment, eh? She needs a trim. You need a trim, woman. You definitely need a trim. So I'll have to book you in with the trimmer, won't I? Yes, I'll book you in with the trimmer. How about Smargy? Does anybody know what these are? These things here. What are they? Dry. Guess it looks Marge. Guess it looks. Dutchy. He's good. He develops these bars. I can take them off. I'll be back tomorrow. So I don't know what that tells you. We get back to that, the difference in horses' hooves, and we look across the heel, which is here, put the mark there, line across the heels, halfway to the tip of a live frog, which is there, which is about there, which is about there, which then puts the tip of his pedal bone right out here against the lamina, according to the books. Is that okay? Boy. Once again, his bars. Good boy. Just move your butt over this way a bit, bud. Get this one here. Come on. That's the boy. You know the trim too. So we've got this bit of spread here again. This lamina build up here. It doesn't seem to wear down. And see that stone in there? Marvellous animals. Don't know how many I can catch up with. That'll do anyway. Bit of a video on paddock hoof clean up.